Hello, my YouTube friends. The winter holiday season is approaching, and we are all busy trying to buy gifts for our family and friends. I like to do presents and gifts with my own hands. I did a whole segment on those gifts, and I will leave a link above. I also did a few kimikomi ornaments using the winter theme, and I will also leave a link above to some of these videos. This year I decided to do a 3-part video series where I will do very simple but unique handmade gifts. And the first gift will be this gigantic candy filled with real chocolate candies. Let me show you how you can make this very simple and quick present. For this project I will use a bottle, empty bottle from a sparkling water. And I will need to cut off 2 ends, so I have a cylinder with 2 open ends. So this is the rest of my bottle when I cut off both ends and some other materials, ribbons and tulle and hot glue gun. First I will measure how long the piece of tulle should be to wrap it around the circumference of this bottle end. Using my hot glue gun, I will start going around and gluing the long end of the tulle to the end of the bottle. I went around. Now I'm going to attach these 2 ends. My next step will be to cover this end of the ribbon, between the ribbon and the bottle, with a narrow ribbon to make it nicer. And I used the wider ribbon to make this bow and make this end closed. Then I did the similar with the second end. I created this cylinder with the tulle, covered the seam so it's more attractive, but I'm not closing that end. Before I do this, I need to fill the plastic cylinder with candies. And these are my candies. You can choose a variety of candies. You can mix candies with some other small items, maybe small crayons or something like school supplies, but I like to use candies. So it's a regular candies in a huge candy. So let me now fill this space with candies. I filled the whole space with candies, and now I will use the wider ribbon to close that end. So all candies are secured inside this gigantic candy. And the candy is ready. I believe that this is very easy, very quick and simple way to make handmade presents, but at the same time is unique enough. You can use materials of your preferred colors and of course the candies that your friends or family like. Join me for the second video in this mini series where I will show you how to make another simple, quick but beautiful gift for your friends and family. Happy holidays!